Hey Limers, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video we are in St. Vincent. We just happened to be visiting Uncle Richard, and Sky wanted to go and meet the chickens. So come along, let's go. Have you guys ever been to a chicken farm before? Come on. Look at where the chickens live. The chickens are there. Watch your step. Watch your step. Whoa, look at all the chickens in there. Watch your step. Look, they have their own house. That's where the chickens live. Yeah? Come.
Let's see.
There's some over here.
Look
Look at that little fat chicken. Say hi, chicken.
Hi, chicken.
There's one more chicken. There's a few chickens.
Chickens came from their home.
No, the chickens don't need snacks. Watch your step.
Their own snack.
No.
They need their own snack.
Watch your step. Oh, there's a bunch of chickens. Watch your step.
That's
The chicken's house. The chickens have a house. Careful. Oh, look. Look at the baby. Stay close. Huh? Aw. Look, Sky, look at the little goat. Don't go in there. Stay. Come. Oh my gosh, that's a whole bunch in there. You wanna go? Big step, jump. Look at the little goat. Oh my goodness, that's a whole lot of chickens. I didn't know there was this much down here. Hi. Look at the little baby goat, Skylar. Isn't he cutie? Yeah, be nice. You have to be gentle, okay? The baby. Yeah. So you're his mother. Oh. How old is he?
I'm 6, 7 days.
7 months?
Days.
7 days?
Yeah, then mother then 3 days old.
Oh, how's she died? Given birth?
No, they're little.
Oh, jeez. She used to live in there?
The sheep and then they're not good.
Hi, bud. Oh.
There's a female in the follow.
Yeah, he's a baby.
Yeah, come back a baby.
That's his daddy now. That's the goat's daddy? Because his mommy went sick, so now he takes care of it.
Yeah.
Aww. Hi, chickens.
Hi, chickens.
my gosh. You guys, look how many eggs there are. Can you even count that high? Well, I think you should try. But guys, always remember, the sky is the limit. Catch you next time.